In today's video, I am going to teach you how to open incognito mode in Google Chrome. To begin, open Google Chrome on your computer. This is the first thing you need to do, since incognito mode is a built-in feature inside the Chrome browser. If Chrome is already open, you can simply move to the top right area of the window. If it is not open yet, launch it first and wait for the browser window to fully appear on your screen. Once you are inside Chrome, look to the upper right corner of the browser. You will see the menu icon which appears as 3 dots. This button opens Chrome's main menu and gives you access to several browser options and settings. Click those 3 dots to continue. After clicking the menu icon, a drop-down menu will appear. In that menu, look for the option called New Incognito Window. When you click that option, Chrome will immediately open a new browser window in incognito mode. You will usually notice that this new window looks slightly different from a regular Chrome window. It often has a darker appearance and includes an incognito icon near the top. This helps you confirm that you are browsing in incognito mode and not in a standard browsing window. If you want to open more than one private tab, you can continue browsing within that incognito window, just as you would in a normal Chrome session. And when you are finished, simply close the incognito window. Once it is closed, Chrome will not keep the local browsing activity from that private session. And that is all for this video.